The Telltale Heart and Literary Techniques. So today we're going to be listening to a reading on The Telltale Heart and looking for these specific literary techniques. You'll receive a cheat sheet on these narrative techniques, so just listen and try to take it all in. So, irony. Irony is when language is used to express something but means something different entirely. There's verbal, situational, and dramatic irony. Verbal is when the speaker's words don't match intent, kind of like sarcasm. Situational is where intentional actions have consequences opposite of what was intended. And dramatic irony, which is one of my favorites, is when the audience knows something that the characters don't. So keep your eye out and listen and try to see if you can pinpoint where irony is in the Telltale Heart. Awesome. Now we got imagery. Imagery is a description that appeals to other senses besides sight, like touch, taste, smell, and feel. For example, the sun warmed her face as the scent of flowers drifted into her nose. Or he was walking down the street when the smell hit him in the face like a brick. It was the smell of burgers sizzling on the grill. And then finally, we have the unreliable narrator, which is a character who tells the story with a lack of credibility. If you look on the slide and on your cheat sheet, I will have a list of qualities of an unreliable narrator. So, an unreliable narrator may include subjective narration, where they rely on their feelings. They're not trustworthy or credible. They might lie on purpose, out of self-interest. Denies his or her role in events of the story. Expresses ideas or values the reader may not agree with. Lacks a moral compass. May be mentally unstable or have a mental disability. Tells events accurately but interprets them in a way that is at odds with the reader. So throughout your readings, you will discover that a lot of narrators are unreliable and that we can't trust them. So don't just blindly trust your narrators. And with that, I hope you guys enjoyed the story.